network diagnostic test. It pulled back 1080, so we'll see if it will run okay.
Sounds good. Aftermarket's looking mighty, mighty clean.
Mighty juicy.
Just got to get that green screen
Yes.
lights
Yeah.
up.
Am I ordering her that? Is that what we're doing?
Yes, could you
Okay.
please?
All right.
Just
Daddy.
send your address. Send your address.
Yes. Yeah. Do me a
You already
favor.
got it, don't you?
Um,
I'll send it. I
yeah,
thought you
send it
had it.
again. I'm sure I do, but I'd have to dig it up and yeah, it's just
I'll send it
faster.
to you.
Yeah, just send it. Don't have any typos in there. Double check the damn thing. I don't want to send it to your neighbor and they're like, wow, this is awesome.
Oh, what? What? Am I the typo queen? Oh my God.
Yes, for sure.
Stop it.
At
You sure
one
are.
million percent. Oh my.
I've gotten better.
Now listen, I understand. We got a slight vision issue. I get it. I get it. No harm, no foul. I'm just saying, just do it right so I don't have to ship out like 10 of them.
I
That'd
got
be
you.
that'd be great.
Appreciate you. Thank
Appreciate
you.
you. Yep. Um, oh good, okay. All right, we're ready to rock and roll. We should be live on all the
Recording in
things.
progress.
Oh, thank you for that. Thank you, thank you. We should be live. Let me double check. I can see TikTok is up. There should be no echo today as well, moderators, because I'm using AirPods for the speaker, so it shouldn't be going through the actual laptop speaker and then, getting feedback. So should be okay today. You let me know if you're hearing any echoes. There should be no more echoes today. Wow, look at that camera angle and that's crazy. This new camera is incredible. There is no light at all up in this loft. Like it is very dimly lit as far as like cameras go. And that camera quality looks pretty decent. Can you guys see that on YouTube? I cannot believe it's like bare.
It looks good.
Yeah, I can't believe it's even picking me up. There is no light in here at all. Normally, I've got all my studio lights are shining on me, right, to get that type of view. Hold on, let me see if all right, that's gonna blind me. But I'm gonna see if there's a change. Hold on, I just shined this little light on my face. I want to see what it's gonna do to the quality. Hold on. There's a big delay on YouTube. We'll see what this does. I don't know if how long I can stand that. We'll see. Hold on. All right, here comes the delay. There it is on my face. No, that doesn't help. That's just blowing my face out for me to be blind with a headache today. I'm good. Okay. We're all good now.
He said no, thank you.
Yeah, I'm good. I am good. Yeah, that's just blinding me for no reason. My studio lights have filters that kind of control how much is, ripping my eyeballs out. Okay. By the way, this laptop was one of the best investments I've ever made. If you guys know me, I am Mr. Super Ridiculous Nerdle from like the highest level of nerdism. This thing is
Which one,
just
Coach?
been, what's that?
Which one?
This is the Lenovo Legion 7i Pro with a 5090 GPU in it. It's a little bit of overkill, but you know how I do, right? I got to make sure
No
everything
such
is,
thing. No
yeah.
such thing.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. That's what I say. But
If you're gonna go big, go big.
that's right. But it has just been an absolute workhorse, like from right everywhere I've been going, being mobile. It's light, obviously, for what it is. I mean, the keyboard is just amazing. It's got the numpad that's got a beautiful track. This thing has just been, sorry to nerd out, but every time I turn this on, I'm like, it was so worth the money. And usually I can't say that about a lot. And I've owned tons of systems, Scars and Razors. I've owned every Razer, every generation, every Asus Rogue, every laptop ever made the last 30 years. This has got to be the best one I have ever owned, and that is saying a lot coming from me. So, anyways, all right. Lenovo just got it right, man. They're the best with their keyboards. They literally have the best, the feel, the tactileness. I could go on and on and on for days about this thing.
Is the
Especially
fan
to
Beautiful.
loud,
use.
Coach?
What's that?
Is the fan loud?
No, not at all. There, yeah, you can't hear the fan at all.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, I'm running all this stuff. Like, I mean, for this is not really graphics intensive, but I'm running OBS. I'm running a TikTok stream. I've got Chrome open right now with about 17 tabs. I've got Zoom running. I've got two cameras running, right? I mean, I've got the brightness on full, no fan noise at all.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yep. So now when you play games and you juice it all the way up, obviously, you're going to get
Well,
fan noise, but
Does it even still have a fan? Isn't it solid state?
no, no. There's fans. Solid state's just the drive. That's just the hard drive. Yeah. Yeah, but it's incredible. If you guys are ever interested in it, let me know, and maybe I'll do a little nerdle thing offline or something for it. But you guys know me and my tech, man. I'm always looking for the latest and greatest, and this is definitely it. All right, we got about 25 minutes to the bell. Yesterday, of course, we had some beautiful A plus setups that hopefully everybody was able to get involved with. We talked about how SPY was, let me pull this up, how SPY acts like a clock, right? It started at 12 o'clock, meaning it's high. Then it went down to 6 o'clock, which was its low. And then by end of day, it went all the way back up to 6 o'clock, right? Or 12 o'clock. So it's just like a clock. SPY will do that quite a bit, all right? So it will try to go new high, new low, new high, new low. It's just kind of a cycle the way that it works. Not always, but for some reason, SPY loves to do that. Now, if you were with us live yesterday, we also discussed that when SPY gets to about 1 to 1.5%, watch for it to reverse in one way or the other. The reason that is because at 1%, right, you're at like a $500 billion in market change, and it doesn't like to stay there. Again, for whatever reason. So once we start to see SPY about 1 to 1.5%, pay attention and watch for it to move, right? So as always, I want everybody to concentrate on our A plus setups, right? We want to get in at the right time. We want to get in, get green, get out. Okay. If you are doing like a 2-minute EWO strategy, get in it, use the shedding technique, let it ride. Make sure you do not allow that green trade to go red on you. Okay. So multiple different strategies. Do not overtrade. Once you get your profits for the day, you are done. Lock it in, stop trading. There's no reason to overtrade. If you're a new trader or you don't want to overtrade, recommended is 1 to 5 trades. I like the 1 to 3 trades. Hold on, my camera's picking up my hands. I like the one. Hold on, this camera. Come on, baby, come back. Hold on, he uses hand gestures. Pick it up. There it goes. I got to watch the hand movements. It's set to track or not track. Okay, so 1 to 3 trades, definitely for newer traders. 3 to 5 more experienced traders. All right, just follow me. So make sure you guys are not over trading. Don't cross the different trading strategies. So if you're doing an EWO, make sure you're doing an EWO. If you're doing scalping, make sure you're just scalping. Use those techniques. If you're an advanced 2-minute EWO trader, you get to use a combination platter, right? We show you how to do both. Speaking of showing you how to do 2-minute EWOs, if you guys are interested and you have the VIP Gold membership or Diamond, you can work with David every single day over in the live Apple chat. That is a chat area where he trades Apple every single day. Just Apple, just our 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed after trading in the stock market for 33 years. So you guys definitely check it out. By the way, David, last count was at like $760,000 using this strategy. So, and he hasn't had a red day in it's going to be 11 months, I think, in like a week. So since October. So very long time, right? So it lets you know how successful that system can work for you if you understand it. Thank you, Bucko and Nat, for the gifts over there. I see you. I appreciate that. Again, if you guys are just now rolling in, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. This is American Dream Trading. If you want to sign up for our free Discord, americandreamtrading.com. Get signed up right now. We've got a couple of amazing deals, $19 for a 2-week trial. That'll get you access to our premium membership, which is where you'll get training for stocks and options. That's what you will hear me talk about every morning from 9 to 11. You will get access to that pre-market setup where we give you those key critical levels with about 13 or 14 stocks that you'll use at the bell and throughout the day. The IPO center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out. The videos on demand to get you started. Day trading, swing trading, um, covered calls, cash secured puts, right? There's like 11 training videos to get you started there. You'll be able to work with us every day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock with a live open microphone. Take my money. How do I join? AmericanDreamTrading.com. So again, $19, 2-week trial. You can't beat that. Get in, try it out. If you guys are interested in futures, we have an amazing deal on that as well. 14-day trial, $49 will also get you our trading view indicators, and you'll get training access over there with Mark and Ange and Ralph and the other crew, I should say, over in our futures that's going on right now. So they also have a live Zoom session, open microphone, ask questions all day, training from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. That's $49. If you're interested in crypto, we also have live Zoom sessions with open microphones where you'll get training. Now, those times are a little different because crypto is 24/7, but we post when we go live with those. But again, crypto, $19, 2-week trial, right? Get over there, check it out. We got a little something, something for everybody. Otherwise, absolutely free. Discord, free. I've got free ebooks, flashcards, how-to videos, games, stock, how to learn about candlesticks and patterns, right? All of that stuff is absolutely free. AmericanDreamTrading.com. We got about 19 minutes, give or take, to the bell, and we will be ready to rock and roll. Listen, if you guys ever have any questions, ask us. We have a full help desk service, over 20 moderators standing by on staff here. We're always ready to rock and roll. We will never send you a friend request, a DM. We won't ask how your trading is going. You must open a help desk ticket. Anything else is a scam. All right, that's not us. We're not going to trade for you, etc. So real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan. Thank you all so much for all your help. As always, thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Same goes for my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Whoa, real horn. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Hell yeah, let's roll, y'all.
Oh, thank you, man. That's awesome. Was that the Corbin? Appreciate you.
Yeah, baby.
Corbin!
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Totally good to have Corbin
You
back.
guys hear that? That's going to be $1 million day already right there. Ding, 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 ding. That's a lock in right there. Right there. That's how we do that right there. If you guys are feeling real generous, you guys can fire up on those super chats. You'll get a live call out in the group and show your support for all the free training that we give you every single day over on YouTube. You'll see those super chats. If you are over on the TikTok, you don't stop. Do me a favor, please. When you get here, just click that follow. Everything, right? It's free. Click that follow. I appreciate you. And if you're feeling really spunky, share it out amongst your friends. Just click that share button. You can throw it out on all the things. We are live on TikTok, Facebook, Rumble, Instagram, X, Twitch, Kick, Craigslist, MySpace, OF, Pirates Cove, Spotify, Apple Music. All right, we might not be live on all that, but we're on a lot of stuff, okay? Get over there.
I
You
was
can watch.
about to say, do some of those still not like some of those don't exist?
LinkedIn,
You had me at
Pinterest,
MySpace.
Pinterest. All right. Yeah. Carrier Pigeon. Thank you, Jared. We're live on Carrier. We're live, Gilly says, on Oregon Trail. Nice. Bucko says,
Gilly.
we're live on VHS, Betamax, all the things you could ever imagine. 8-track, quadro, stereo, supersonic, phonic sound. We're across the
Live on the
board.
Sunset Strip.
That's right. The red light district, we could be live there. I don't know. That's part of the aftermarket show. That's a different tier, a different pricing tier. All right, but anyways, love your faces. You guys are amazing. Speaking of the aftermarket, don't forget to check that out. It's live every day at 5 o'clock with your host Dawn and friends over there at 5. Mark is training on futures every day from 2 to 4 o'clock. So if you're interested in futures, and I am here, of course, with stocks, options, and sometimes futures, which I've been trading futures live in front of you every day, but we are mostly from 9 to 11 talking about stocks and options. You're just watching me trading futures, but I'm not necessarily training you on futures. We're not talking about futures, right? You're just seeing me trade it. But the good thing with that is you're getting to understand how the mechanics are, and I'm calling out levels on all stocks and options while I am trading futures. So can I multitask? Absolutely. So be doing that every day. Old school trucker says, miss being part of the Zoom every day, but have a lot of medical issues in the family. Sorry about that, man. Prayers going up for you. We appreciate you. And I'm sure once all that clears up and everything's okay, you'll be back here in the fold with us. Yesterday, of course, we had another $1 million plus profitable day here for our trading community. So, congratulations to all of you that were here. Usually we post everything over in our profits and loss channel. Today I'm going to ask just so the newer people can see, everybody post it in the Traders Lounge. Now you guys will notice that we've made some changes to our Discord, right? We're cleaning it up, trying to make it as easy and as streamlined as we possibly can get it. There is no more Stock Lounge, it's Traders Lounge because people from all walks of life could be in their stocks, options, futures, and crypto. So we didn't want to have Stock Lounge but you want to come in and talk about crypto real quick, right? So check it all out, do all the things. We do have some specials going on right now, limited space. If you want to get access to David with a full year mentorship program, he will work with you twice a month for an hour each time. That's on sale for 5K. That is a full year working with David. Imagine what you could do in a year's worth of training every other week with one of our best training moderators. Could you imagine that? That is on 50% sale right now. 50% sale right now. So make sure you guys check it out. Yep, we just posted it. You guys can see it right there. Again, that will be 2 1-hour sessions for an entire 12 months. I actually opened it up for myself. I was going to do a couple and see how many millionaires I could make. Results not guaranteed. And then I thought about it. I'm like, man, it's going to take up so much of my time, and I throttled it back. Will I ever open it up? Maybe. I don't know. It's just every time I get these ideas of grandeur, like, oh, I'm going to be able to help at least 8 people and probably 6 of them will become millionaires. And then I'm like, oh, but it's so much extra time. So I apologize. So 2 people I had to actually turn down. One of our members, though, I did keep just so you guys know, because I think he spent like $100,000 with us. So I'm not going to deny him. You know, he is our top tier client, by the way. So, but I did actually 2 people paid and I refunded them and said, sorry, we can't do that, and moved them into some other products. So sometimes, that's one thing with having my own business is I can create things, but I can also take it away if I don't like it or if I want to make a change, I can do the things to it, right? So I appreciate everybody's patience. If I ever turn it back on, mine would be the same thing, except mine's 50K for a year. 2 1-hour sessions will get you with me. Obviously, results not guaranteed, but I can tell you this, the 14 millionaires that I have worked with one-on-one, they all worked with me directly, right? So they've had a lot of training under me. All of them, every one of them had a one-on-one with me, right? So some of them multiple one-on-ones. But again, results not guaranteed. This is still going to be extremely hard. It's just I will get to move you forward about 10, 20, possibly 30 years within a year, right? So, okay. All those are going on. Diamond lifetime membership. We got 11 minutes to the bell. Diamond lifetime membership's 5K. That is a 20K service. If you bought all the individual lifetime memberships, it cost you over 50K. If you get the 5K Diamond lifetime membership, you will have access to everything. Literally everything that we have to offer, all of our services, all those membership services, right? Premium, gold, VIP gold, futures VIP gold, crypto VIP gold, all the breakout rooms, the workshop classes, the Saturday training, training 7 days a week, right? You will have everything, all the advanced training videos, the VI or the trading view indicators, like you will get everything. All sessions are recorded for you. I mean, that's a no-brainer. Get over there and get it right now. All right, I think that is all the sales that we've got going on right now. Yes, and I tell you what, I'll make a deal with one of you. If you buy the diamond today, we'll take 1,000 off of the one of the mentorships with David for a year. So 9K today, you'll get a diamond membership and a one-on-one for a whole year of mentorship with David. We'll do it for 9K today. If you're interested, open up a help desk ticket or say, I want it. I will do that today for, I can't fill a lot of seats. We'll do it for 3 people. Got it? 3 people. Once it's done, it's done. I can't do any more than that because our time is very limited. By the way, just so you guys know, once David's schedule is filled up for the year, there's no more. You do not get one. Oh, I want one now. Too late. Too bad. So sad. So I hope you understand that. It is first come, first served. So do it right now. 3 lucky people. If you buy a diamond today, I will take $1,000 off the David's one-on-one mentorship. Do it now. If you want it, you can audibly say it now too to lock you in because I promise you when the 3 are gone, that is it. Yes, thank you, Morpheus. I appreciate that. Thank you, Bucko, for the goats. Straight Razor, thank you for the heart me's. Thank you, thank you. Moderators, let me know if we get any super chats popping up over there on the YouTubes. We just want to make sure that we announce them. That goal is out there. Thank you. I see all of you over on YouTube. Everybody's over on Twitch. I also see you. Just remember, if you guys are watching the free area, you're not seeing any of my, you're getting one chart on my screen of 3. You don't get to see any annotations that I'm making throughout the day. You are on a huge delay, so please do not follow what I am doing because you are on a massive delay if you are not in my Zoom. If you are in my Zoom, it is all real time. And again, you get to work with us and ask any questions. Right now, there's 275 people. There will be well over 300 people before we get going at 9:30, like there is every day. We can handle up to 1,000 in this room. So we have plenty of seats for you available. We've been doing this for a very long time. I have been live every single day for over 3 years. We've made 14 millionaires, retired over 250 people, and we are well over $300 million in unverified profits for our community. So we're doing some amazing things. One of our members has done 11 million. I've had at least 6 people have $1 million plus days, like single day trades. Had another member do 5.6 million in a day. I mean, we are doing some incredible things over here. So we've got about 6 minutes to go. A little bit about myself, just because I know some of you are newer and you don't really know. I come from a crazy background. Grew up in a very rough area in the ghetto. I know everybody likes to say that, but I grew up in a pretty rough area, murder capital of the country. That was exciting for me as a young lad trying to survive in the world, just me and my old man after his second divorce, and the whole family got completely split up. It was just me and him from sixth grade on. That was a lot of fun. Um, I was trying to fight and struggle and get my way through every single day. It wasn't about concentrating on school. I was trying to live. So I ended up getting kicked out of my house at 16. I ended up dropping out of high school, living on my own, working a full-time job as a cook at Kentucky Fried Chicken, which is crazy, while I was going to full-time night school. So I was back over at Adult Ed trying to get an education. Tried to enlist in the Marines with my buddy Gavin, open no restriction. He ended up going to Japan. I got turned down during ASVAB because I have a scar on my foot because I had a bunch of broken bones and stuff inside of my foot and an implant in my big toe. So I ended up not being able to get into the Marines, and my life was crazy. So, long story short, if you think you cannot make it, you can. I am that success story. I came from absolutely nothing, dirt floor poor, to multi-millionaire, now creating some of the wealthiest people on planet Earth right here in this room. So if you think you are in a spot where you cannot be successful, if you think, well, I don't know if this is for me, I promise you this is for everybody, but it's going to be hard. This will be the hardest thing you've ever done. You will have to stay the course. You will have to continue to work every single day on yourself. It will be very hard. This will test you physically, spiritually, mentally, physically, financially, right? I just want to try to help you get there as fast as I can. I didn't have somebody, mentors and things, right, looking out for me and trying to help and navigate my life and right. And then the other part is once you get all that money, what do you do with it? Well, since I have created some of the wealthiest people on planet Earth, we talk about all that in different rooms and the mentorships and the VIPs. And what do you do with that? And how do you make that money work for you? Because, right, getting the money is one thing, but holding the money is a whole other thing. So we are the complete package here, excuse me, at American Dream Trading. We do everything from swing trading, day trading, long-term investments, Roths, 401k, SEPs, IRAs, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do, stocks, options, futures, crypto, we do everything here, right? I've been doing this a very long time, 3 minutes to the bell. So if you've ever wanted to get to a place where you can change your life in a real substantial way, this is it, right? I don't care if you're a single mother with 6 kids and you're working three different jobs. This is your home, right? If you're a working dad, you got 2 jobs, you barely have time to sleep. This is your place, right? Hell, if you're unemployed and you're trying to find work right now while you're doing that, this is the place. If you are a mega millionaire, this is your place. I've got MLB players, NFL players, I've got movie stars, right? I've got YouTube influencers with millions of subscribers. We are literally the stock market traders of the stars, right? And I don't care what walk of life you come from. We don't care what color, race, creed, religion, the stock market, and we don't care about any of that. We care about you, but you come as you are. We are here to help you out. A couple of rules that I need you to follow every single day when you are a part of my community. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, you're done. Take the next 30 days off. Do not use any money anymore. While you are in here, while you are training, you should be paper trading, simulate trading. Do not use real money until you are ready to do that. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, crypto, or futures. Make sure you go in with small position sizes. By doing that, you allow those runners to continue to run. And if you have a loss, it's not bad. It doesn't hurt you as much, right? Make sure you journal every day so you have your journey, how to get better every single day should be a part of that daily Journal. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. And if you're an advanced trader, do not trade in the first 15 minutes, right? That first 3 to 15 minutes or the last, it's about 8 to 15 minutes at the end of the day. So please be very careful in all of those things. In which financially struggling city were you raised? Flint, Michigan. I actually went to Flint Beecher. If you know, you know. So, yes, all sorts of good stuff. We're going to be ready to rock and roll. 20 seconds to the bell. Everybody be cool. Nobody get crazy on me. We're going to have an amazing day. We'll be ready to rock and roll. 5 seconds. My clock should be very close. I can see that it's close today. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll, everybody. Again, I will be trading live in front of you. I will be trading futures, but talking about SPY. I've got all the same key areas set up for SPY as we did yesterday. SPY coming up to the 200 here. Please be careful on this spot. SPY coming up on that 200 there. So again, be careful. Getting a nice pullback there. See if it's got a little bit more room to go. Can see we've got a gap down to that 635.40-ish area. Watching it make its move here. I am shorting that right there. There we go. That's the area I wanted. Nice. First trade of the day. I'll take it. There's $130. Right all the way to support. Did everybody see how I did that?
I
Okay.
was right with you, boss.
Good job. Good job.
Awesome, boy.
Yep. So nice little move down there, right? I was looking for that move down to that 635.40. Once I got there, I let it work a little bit, right? Because I wanted to see if it had more to give, because sometimes it will. It stalled out. Boom, took my money. That's it. All right. So we had a nice bounce off of that level. Apple 2-minute EWO is to the upside, but remember, Apple has every single freaking day almost for the last couple of weeks popped at the open, pulled back right after it. So if I was Apple, I'd be waiting on that, right? No way would I be looking at that thing right out of the gate because it's been doing some funky stuff.
Coach, hot stock pick THAR is moving up steadily to the upside.
Great call out. Thank you. THAR is now at 44%. Good job. 34 million volume, 3.5 million float. That's nice. That's nice. Looking for,
Isn't it though?
yeah,
Love the low float.
it really is. Watching for SPY here. I'd like to see SPY break below the 635 level. I'm not going to do anything in this spot right here. If it does stay below the 9, I will go in with a small amount just to short this again. But I'm being very cautious here. This is on a level of support previous day. I had it marked from previous day, I should say. So just being very cautious of the scalp. I am scalping, so I'm not doing anything long-term. This is not long-term investment. It's Angel's World. That's Elliott Wave Oscillator. If you want, ask me after 10 o'clock. I use that in combination with some strategies that I've developed after 30 years doing this. No one else in the world has ever used it the way I do, though. So just so you know, you're not going to find it on YouTube or anywhere else. It's literally from me. All right, watching the move here now, making a nice pop up to the 200. So if it's going to pull back, it's going to be a pullback right here. So I'm watching. We have news today. Isn't PMI at what, 945 today?
Yes.
All right, thank you. So when it gets closer to 945, somebody alert me. We'll let you know to be careful around 945 today, all right? And I believe we have
We
Fed
got you,
talking,
coach.
and I believe we have Fed talking at 10 today, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Looking to see if we get a pullback here off this 200. There it goes. I'll take it. Small, $18. So probably $15 after fees. Just going in small. Wanted to see if we're going to have that pullback off the 200, which it is. Excuse me. Good job, Bob. You're welcome. It's Angel's World. Good to see you in here again. I saw you in here yesterday. I appreciate you. NVIDIA, third 2-minute EWO to the upside. NVIDIA, third 2-minute EWO to the upside. Did anybody short SPY with me up there off that 200?
I did, coach.
Thank you. Still got a little bit more here. See if it's got more to give. Just watching to see if it'll stay below this 9. If it does, we'll get a little bit more of a bleed out. Being patient right here. We'll see what it wants to do.
Tesla's on your second 2 minute to the upside.
Thank you. Tesla second to the upside. Thank you. There we go. Come on. You got more? Kind of fading out right here. Pop back to this 9. Still under the 9. Come on. I wanted to see a gap lower. Oh, it's gapping up above the 9. If it does, I'll get out. Gets heavy, I'll add. Boy, it's really trying. There it goes. Say it's really trying to make up its mind here, isn't it? Still again sitting right around this area. Still staying around the 9. Has not showed us anything else. Waiting. Boy, it's funny. Everything in you is you want to see, right? You're like, oh, it's up, 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 up. But the fact that it's sitting on the 9 and below the 200, right?
SPY on the 2-minute is fighting VWAP also.
All right, thank you. Yeah, we're just right in this critical area. NVIDIA getting a nice push to the upside. NVIDIA now in its fourth 2-minute EWO to the upside. Everybody see that on NVIDIA?
Yeah, watch pre-market high.
Which is what's the level?
177 even.
There you go. Everybody hear that? 177 pre-market high level. SPY right up there on that 200. See if it's got more. Looking to see if this bottom's going to fall out right here or not. Checking on Apple. Apple flat. Apple's not really doing anything. Let me check the Qs. Same thing. Qs are up there on that 200. Qs sitting up there on that 200. Boy, looking to see if we're going to get this pullback here off this 200. It's done it several times. Doesn't pull off of here. I'll have to rip the Band-Aid. Still waiting. The 9 and the 200 are starting to squeeze here. Still waiting for this room. I'm gonna put in a hard stop just so I don't, in case it's supernovas, right? Protecting my trade there. That way, if it just like decides to get some volume out of nowhere, like, oh my gosh, what was that? Right? I'll be covered. Still at the 200. This is where it was fighting earlier on the pullback. Your 9 is squeezing right into the 200 here. So pop or drop moments coming up. Very tight. Q's, same thing on the 2-minute, sitting on the 200. Apple still has not found where it wants to go. It's just in that chop area, right? There we go. Hello. Who's your daddy? Who is your daddy? Hello. How are you? Was that, can you guys, did you see that drop?
Perfect, coach.
Was that amazing or what?
Yep.
I
It's the
love that
stuff
when
dreams are made of, Coach.
Come on, get down there.
It's the stuff American dreams are made of.
That's right. What a pullback. Well, the whole world, right, was wanting to go long. Am I right? I promise you, everybody was looking at that for long. Yes?
Yes.
Yep, you know it.
trying to get past that is really hard.
Yep. Yeah, and that, look at this. No, look at that turn into a beautiful trade. Guaranteed 200 on the trade now. 200, if it flushes, that's going to be $1,000 trade. So I'll take the 200. So the whole world, right? You're seeing a stair step up, 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 up. We already know that the 200 was the resistance. Hammered that thing, right? No fear. Had my stop in place, which I put it up just above the highest level of those candles up there, right? And then you just saw a knife drop, baby. Boom. Good job. Still got room to go down to that 635.40-ish gap to the downside where it hit
3
earlier.
minutes till news, Coach.
Thank you. Yeah, no echo today. Good, good. Good stuff. Why is that? That's not our Mark, is it? That looks different. Mark, that's not you, is it? It says Mark McC2. What is that? Is that a fake account? Anybody? Is that our Mark? Because that's not what it normally looks like.
Grab your pickaxes.
Coach, 2.5 minutes to news.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a fake Mark. You see that Mark McC2? That's not our Mark. You see it? Nice try.
Where are you looking, Coach?
TikTok.
Okay.
It
Yeah,
is
it's
Mark.
got 2
It is
followers and
Mark.
they're both.
That is Mark with 2 followers. Is this a new account?
He forgot his password, created a new account.
Oh, I got you. Okay. Whew. All right, Mark, you got to let us know. All right, because I was about to ban him. Thought he was trying to
Mark
yeah, I was like, oh, he's giving good information. And I was like, oh, is he just trying to do that so it looks good? But no. All right, Mark, we see you, buddy. And we've confirmed that's him, right? I'm going to make him a moderator. Is that a yes?
Yes, it's him.
I'll reset it.
He said
Okay.
he's gonna log back in when
No
he
worries. No
Okay.
worries. You're that new account is a moderator too, Mark. No worries. We got you. All right, still in this channel. Looking real nice. Again, thank you. Yeah, there should be no echo. There's no echo today, right? Are we golden?
Coach, your sound there sounds better than in the command center.
Does it really? That is wild.
It really does.
That's crazy because the command center I've got, right, like the $20,000 setup, and over here
I
I'm using,
know.
yeah, right, and over here I'm using AirPods in my laptop with the
Sounds so
microphone coming,
clear.
with the microphone coming out of the laptop. That's crazy.
Dude, I'm loving the camera angle with the A-frame in the background.
Oh, is off the Zoom? Does it look cool?
Yeah, it looks good.
I knew it was going to hurt your feelings, but I just had to tell you, it does
Yeah,
sound
that's
so,
all right.
so
Hey,
good.
hey, whatever works. You know, maybe I turn all that crap off and I just start traveling the world and do this, right? Phew.
You should, Coach.
Yeah, I got no worries with that.
The American dream.
That's right.
Amazon new low.
Amazon new low, thank you. Let me check the Qs. Qs are still flat. Oh, this looks like it wants to dump. Okay. And I'm not set up for it. I'm in the wrong system. There.
News.
News now. Thank you. News now, everybody. Oh, it's flushing out hardcore and I'm missing it. Oh my gosh. What's the news? Anybody got it? Good or bad? Obviously, it's bad for the market. Ooh, that buy order sat there a long time. Did you guys see that? Ooh, don't like that. That was sat there a long time. Does anybody have the market information or no?
I do,
Don't.
Coach. I
I'm
don't know
in
how
a
to
trade.
interpret it. Sorry.
It just
Go ahead,
came out.
Richard.
53.3 versus 49.7.
Higher PMI. Got it. That's all we need. Yep. Thank you. All right, market.
Bad for market.
Yep, market hating this, right? Just remember, at some point, it could have that knee-jerk reaction where it spring loads and goes the other way. Am I right? So just be very cool here. Still waiting to see if we get a bigger flush. Oh, this is fighting that area now on SPY. 630, 430. That's showing us support, so please be careful here. Let's see if we can get more of a flush. 630, 430. Oh, look at this spring low. Did you guys see that out of nowhere? You see what I'm saying? Look at that. That's the stuff you got to be careful of, right?
I just made a pile on that both ways.
Oh, nice job. That took me for 500 bucks. I was looking for a bigger pullback. It just stalled right out.
Definitely sold the calls too early.
Yeah, she's still running.
Wow.
Yep, still running. Oh my gosh. You see what I'm talking about? Isn't that weird? We went from absolute terror knife drops to the craziest buying action you've ever seen in your life.
The news whipsaw, it's great.
Yep.
Maybe it wasn't so bad for the market.
Is that a 2-minute EWO on Apple, or is that not juicy enough?
Anybody?
Gotta get out of that 226.50 and then level that David marked.
He's saying patience, lots of chop.
Yeah, the PMI numbers were higher, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that should not be good for the market, right? Because that shows higher inflation. So I don't know why this is even thinking about rebounding at all. But trade the trades, right? Check your bias at the door. Am I right?
Yeah, 635, 636 was equilibrium yesterday. And just kind of chopped around for the better part of the day,
Yep, yep.
right around that equator.
Yeah, I mean, now we're getting a nice boost back up to the 200 here. Crazy move, though. All the way back up to the 200. Is it going to pop that or not? We're just hovering now here.
Hey, Coach, just realize this is the PMI, not the PPI. So it's the economic activity report, not the inflation numbers.
That's correct. But a stronger PMI, if it's too aggressively to the upside, shows inflation is up. That's
Gotcha.
why, yeah, that's why I said that's crazy. And the only reason that matters is because remember, we're wanting the feds to lower the interest rate, right?
Yep.
The PMI for manufacturing and services.
Correct. Oh, this thing is flattening out now. Damn it. Wanted to see this pop. Now it's just riding the 9. Come on, get up there. That's it? Like, that's literally all you have? You guys see that keep stopping over and over and over, right? At the same level.
Exhausted.
Yeah, that's resistance. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to put in this hard stop here. It's trash. It just can't. Yeah, say it's trash. It can't get there. It's garbage. Garbage. And now we're getting a flush. I just lost on 2 of those trades in a row. One, I got greedy looking for more of a pull. And then that one doing that. Nice. Didn't have the momentum.
I'm staying out of this chop.
Yep, yep. Yeah, so right here, let me read. Yeah, PMI is too strong. It can stoke fears of inflation, prompting the Fed to consider rate hikes. That can spook markets, especially growth stocks. If PMI beats expectations by a wide margin, bond yields might spike, which can pressure tech and other rate-sensitive sectors. So the opposite. So the opposite is true. Yeah, Fed considers rate hikes if PMI is too strong. Did I say that ass backward?
No, you're pretty much on point.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm second guessing everything I'm saying. Come on, 9. What are we gonna do here? Is this gonna drop?
Feels like it.
Right on the spot, isn't it? Just be patient. I've got that 635.40 up to the 200 as a channel. 635.42. The 200 is a channel.
I wouldn't be surprised after yesterday's big volatility and the Fed speaking here soon. They're just sitting on their hands.
Yes. What time's Fed speaking today? Is it 10?
Supposed to be 10. Yeah.
Okay. That'll be another major catalyst, everybody. Be careful at 10 o'clock, okay?
And don't count on Powell to say anything good.
Oh, gosh, no, not at all. He'll probably go out of his way to not.
We also have existing housing sales at 10.
Oh, right. Okay, thank you. All right. See if we can get a little more again out of this one. Same drill. That was a bad fill.
Coach, that 636.16 area on the 4-hour going back a month, it has been a very strong area.
Is it? Okay.
Lots of support and resistance back and forth.
All right, so we'll call that a gold level then, right, partner?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Got it. Thank you. Marked it. Yeah, every time it gets anywhere near that, it just can't hold up.
We have housing numbers at 10. Powell is tomorrow.
I thought he had a conference or something today. No? Didn't we discuss that in VIP this morning too? Anybody?
Yeah, it's the shoot, what do they call that? It's a meeting every year at this
Jackson
time.
Hole?
To Jackson Hole, thank you.
Yeah, there you go.
I think that's tomorrow, right?
It's today and tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the main announcement if they're going to raise the rates or not.
Yeah.
Or if they're going to lower.
Right.
Hot stock tick 8 p.m. halted up, resumes at 9:59:40.
Thank you. Good call on that. Boy, this is just sitting to flush right here. The opposite side. Uh-oh, I'm lagging. I've been on the opposite side of 3 trades in a row. That tells me you're done making silly trades. I'm really lagging